Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how to optimize Google Ads using device. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So for accessing device section, I need to choose one of the campaigns. So I'm going to choose this campaign. So I need to go to the ad group section. So I'm going to choose one of the ad groups from here. Okay, then I'll scroll down a little bit. Then I'll choose devices from here. Then we can see three devices are available here, like mobile phones, computers, and tablets. And we can see the performance of those devices, how many clicks they are getting, how many impressions they are receiving, what is their CTR, what is their average CPC, what is the total cost of those devices, and how many conversions they have got, their cost per conversion and conversion rate as well. Okay, so all the metrics are available here. So on the basis of those metrics, you can either increase the bits or decrease the bits of your devices. So let's see the performance and analyze the performance, and on the basis of performance we might increase the bits, we might decrease the bit as well. So let's come to the mobile phone first. You can see it has got 238 clicks. CTR is above 20%, average CPC 53 cent, total cost $125, and it has got 20 conversions, and cost per conversion was $6.30, and conversion rate 8.40%. Let's come to the computers, which has got 28 clicks, CTR above 18%, average CPC 50 cent, total cost $14. It has got three conversions, and cost per conversion was $4.69, and conversion rate is pretty high, 10.71%. And on the tablet, it has got only 7 clicks, and CTR is decent, 30%, average CPC 60%, total cost $4.48, and it hasn't got any conversions yet. So those two are performing well. So you can increase the bits for mobile phones with 2%, and I'm gonna click on save, and you can also increase the bits for computer as 2%. Okay, so I'm gonna click on save. So yeah, that is how you can optimize your Google Ads using devices. You can decrease the bits for tablets if you want, so it's up to you, and on the basis of performance you can make the decision. So yeah, hopefully you have understood the whole thing. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.